Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best lithium battery for solar you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best lithium battery for solar in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is LiTime 12V 300 Ah lithium LiFePO Po4 battery. LiTime 12V 300 Ah LiFePO4 battery has exceptional quality since they are manufactured by automotive-grade LiFePO4 cells with higher energy density, more stable performance and greater power. Highest level safety based on UL testing certificate for the cell inside the battery and built-in BMS to protect it from overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and short circuit with excellent self-discharge rate. 100% safe, non-toxic, renewable energy. A full charge on the LiTime 12V 300 Ah LiFePO4 battery can run common appliances for consecutive days, like running an 80-watt refrigerator non-stop for 48 hours about 2 to 4 days. LiTime LiFePO4 battery has a great 300 Ah capacity with low self-discharge rate and low capacity loss, which is 40% more powerful than the same size lead-acid battery. The depth of discharge of lead-acid battery is about 60%. Efficient charging and easy installation. You will definitely like it. LiTime 12V 300 Ah LiFePO4 battery can be connected in parallels and series for larger capacity max 1200 Ah and higher voltage 24 volts, 36 volts, 48 volts, which makes it perfect for off-grid solar system and outdoors applications such as home backup power, RV, camping, sailboat, etc. You don't have to worry about not being able to charge the battery on cloudy days as the long endurance of the battery will bring you a reliable power or longer and more enjoyable trip. Our second best lithium battery for solar is Chin's LiFePO4 Smart 12V 300 Ah lithium battery. Chin's Bluetooth lithium-ion battery have exceptional longevity since they manufacturing by automotive-grade LiFePO4 cells with higher energy density, more stable performance and greater power, letting you use the battery more freely. These batteries are more cost-effective, so when factoring time and cost into your purchase, our lithium-ion battery banks come out ahead every time. It can support fast charging and solar panel charging. Only when smart battery starts to charge, the heating function inside the battery can be turned on. When the ambient temperature is lower than 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the charging current will only supply power to the heating film inside the battery. When the internal temperature of the battery reaches 10 degrees Celsius, BMS will immediately turn off the heating function. All the charging current charges the battery. The charging current of the low temperature heating battery is at least 10 ampere. Compared with the traditional battery monitor, Chin's Bluetooth lithium battery has added Bluetooth function and obtained various data of the lithium iron phosphate battery. Customers can connect to the battery through the mobile phone app, and read the battery voltage, current, battery capacity and other important information at any time. Wireless connection range, within 5 to 10 meters from the battery. Chin's LiFePO4 battery can be connected in parallels and in series for larger capacity and voltage. Max connection in series, up to 4 identical batteries for up to 48 volts connecting in series. Connection in parallels, it can connect multiple batteries, suggests no more than 4 pieces in parallel. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Ecoworthy 12V 280 Ah LiFePO4 lithium battery. Ecoworthy's 280 Ah LiFePO4 lithium battery contains 10,000 plus deep cycles. Each lithium battery can run for more than 20 years, which is 3 times longer cycles than other LiFePO4 batteries on the market. Explosion valve and metal steel shell design protect it from fire and explosion. And it has a more stable built-in 250 ampere BMS to protect it from overcharge, over discharge, charge over current, discharge over current, short circuit, cell voltage self-balance, high temp discharge cutoff. This LiFePO4 battery has an A-class cell with high energy density, which makes it smaller in size and 1/3 the weight of the lead-acid battery at the same capacity, much more convenient for you to remove and place it. The 280 Ah lithium iron phosphate battery has 3,584 Wh/hour energy, and can be expanded to 28.6 kWh by wired in 2S4P, perfect for RV, campers, marine, travel trailer, solar power system, motorhomes, UPS, off-grid etc. Number 4 in our side is OGRPHY 12V 100 Ah LiFePO4 lithium battery. OGRPHY lithium battery is a new generation for replacing lead-acid battery. Compared to the same capacity lead-acid battery, LiFePO4 battery has a 1 weight, 2 times energy release and 4 to 10 times cycles. Besides, LiFePO4 battery has a more stabler performance, over 90% efficiency, lower than 3% self-discharging rate. Let alone the extra BMS protection. OGRPHY 12V 100 Ah deep cycle battery is designed for RV, boat trolling motor, fish finder, marine, golf cart and off-grid applications. This 12V battery can be DIY up to 4 in series, 4 in parallel to fit the 12V, 24V, 36V, 48V, 100 A, 200 A, 300 A, 400 A application scenarios. Every OGRPHY battery will be tested in the factory before they can be sent to customers. OGRPHY lithium battery is proved to be safe without explosion risk, without heavy metal. The charging temperature is from -20° to 55° Celsius, discharging temperature is from 0 to 60° Celsius. OGRPHY battery is capable of many extreme weather with extra IP65 waterproof. Last in our best lithium battery for solar list is Sokerdy 12.8V 400 Ah lithium LiFePO4 battery. Sokery 12.8V 400 Ah lithium battery with built-in 400 A BMS provides max 5,120 Wh/hour energy, and supports max 400 A continuous charge and discharge current. Work well with trolling motor and fish finder. Compared with other LiFePO4 battery built-in 250 A BMS. It only supports max 250 A charging and discharging. This 12.8V 400 Ah lithium battery built in 400 A BMS provides max 5,120 hour energy, supports max 400 A continuous charge and discharge current and max 520 A 5 secretary continuous discharge current. Protect battery from overcharge, over discharge, overload, overheating and short circuit. Battery less than 70° Celsius will cut off. Charge and discharge with confidence thanks to our long life batteries. Have peace of mind knowing we will be there to take care of you should something go wrong. Make it easy to carry when you are in indoor adventures. 12V LiFePO4 battery perfect for solar system, marine, RV, campers, golf cart, medical devices, backup power, home energy storage. Backup power, off-road, off-grid applications. The 400 Ah lithium battery with solar panel and MPPT controller to build an off-grid system. Powerful your home life.